Hey guys, today is day 10. Oh, sorry, day 9, I believe, of making an AI assistant. So, I don't remember. Okay, here. This is what I worked on the past 3 days, but I'm just gonna consider it one day because it was really inconsistent. So, yeah, basically, I worked on the second file, the AI bill, mostly. And basically, it was just incorporating everything I had in the old Jarvis test script into AI build. So there's much less lines because some functionality is missing, but I did get all the everything else inside. So yeah, I worked on it. Sometimes I had trouble with playing the OS start file, so I don't know why, but the get window just doesn't work sometimes. Like this one is kind of useless. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so basically I integrated all the commands, so let's just go through that. So this is the AI prompt. I think I explained it last day. And yeah, so this is the main code here. So this is like the original like non-AI code, non-AI like decrypting decryption. So this is pausing, screenshot. We already went through all these. Open Spotify, close Spotify, play like songs, end program, and basically these are the ones that really, when you say it, it's really easy for the program to understand even without AI. They just need to detect certain words and they'll be like, oh yeah, so they're definitely trying to do this specific action. So yeah, let's see. So this is what I worked on the most. So if any of these are false, so let's just say they go through every single one, like unpause, screenshot, and they don't detect any of these to be true, then we go for the else. And this is where we ask AI. So basically, let's see here. So this is just for the testing, and then ask AI is the function, and then basically the words is our input, and basically this is just a list of all the things that I want AI to incorporate into the AI decryption thing. So opening queue, add specific songs to queue, play specific songs. These adjusting volume, these are harder because if you did watch my previous videos, there was this word to number. So where is it? Yeah, word to int. This one, it was a bit messy, and sometimes it would get it wrong. And it still works pretty well. It's just I want it to be foolproof. So that's why I'm gonna ask AI to decrypt it. So setting alarms, set timers, skip songs. These are the really simple ones. I just added it because why not. So yeah, this is the prompt that we're gonna give. So we have to be really specific, okay? And then I did have to shorten some things because it was taking a bit of time to process because there's a lot of text. So yeah, let's see. So these are all the actions now. So a lot more actions, and they basically today I didn't really work on like the actual functionality. I just want the AI to basically display the action and the value. That's all I need, and then after that, then I can actually work well with it. We're just making the building blocks right now. So if it's a play song, this I need to make it. It's not vague, but it's not too long. I can't give examples, or it's gonna take too long to process everything. And this adjust volume. So basically, if you yeah, like I said, if you saw my previous videos, you would see that for the volumes, there would be increasing volumes, decreasing volumes, and setting to a specific volume. And yeah, there's a lot of description. So yeah, so basically this is the prompt here. So if they do not enter a word or a number, just value is unknown, and I'll play with that later. So if I say like if the action is adjust volume and the value is unknown, then just say, oh, we didn't get what you were trying to say, something like that. Think of a decimal, round it to the whole number, round to I should say nearest whole number, and don't need to give them an example. That's pretty self-explanatory. Set to specific values, so they say greater than 100. value will be set to 100 because you can't go above 100 volume. Same as 0, you can't be less than 0, so it'll be set to 0. If they want to increase the volume by a certain amount, so the AI will understand if you're trying to increase, like saying, oh, can you please increase the volume by blah blah blah. They won't understand it as set the volume to this. They would say increase, okay. And yeah, this is just plus the value minus the value, blah blah blah. Yeah, add song to queue. The same thing as playing a song. Basically, just trying to detect what the song name is, and then open queue. All these, the values don't really matter. I'm just trying to put it as a placeholder. And in case they didn't understand what the user said, turn unknown, blah 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 blah. And this is the prompt, and yeah. So yeah, that's mostly what I worked on. Okay, so this is the code. Just run it.
Welcome, Daniel.
Okay, so we do know that these ones should work. Let me check. So the pause thing, screenshot should work. All these should work. So basically, the only thing I want to test today or show you guys is the AI thing. So basically, we need to do these three here. So, okay. So let's just do the open queue first. Hey Bill, can you open the queue for me? Okay, I don't know how they found that out, but let's just try again. Hey Bill, can you open the queue for me? Okay, see if it works.
Action.
Okay,
Open
so that works.
Queue. Value. True.
So that works. Let's try again. Let's try the next one. Hey Bill, can you add the song Daisies by Justin Bieber to the queue? Let's see.
Action. Add underscore song
Okay,
underscore
so this works well.
Value. Daisies by Justin Bieber.
Okay. Hey Bill, can you play the song Yukon?
Action.
Okay, so
Play
that works.
Song. Value.
Let's do adjust
Yukon.
volume. Hey Bill, can you increase the volume by 31? See what it does.
Action. Adjust underscore volume. Value. 31.
Huh, I don't know why it's negative. Let's try that again. Hey Bill, can you increase the volume by 31? What in, bruh? Okay.
Action.
What
Adjust
is going on?
Volume. Value. Plus 20.
Okay, I think it's just making up numbers now. Hey Bill, can you increase the volume by 32? Hey Bill, can you increase the volume by 32? Okay, let's see if this works.
Action.
Okay, now it works.
Adjust
I don't know why the
volume.
previous ones didn't
Value.
work.
Plus 32.
Hey Bill, can you decrease the volume by 51? Oh god, what? That's so stupid. Okay,
Action.
I mean, it didn't get it, but at
Underscore
least it got the
volume.
math right.
Value.
Okay.
Dash 5.
If I say, hey Bill, can you set the volume to 80? So it should not have any positive or negative. It should just have 80.
Action.
Okay, that's good.
Adjust underscore
So
volume.
next one's
Value.
set alarm.
80.
Those should be really easy. Actually, I'm gonna do the last 5. Hey Bill, can you skip the song? Hey Bill. Oh, okay, that's actually pretty fast.
Action. Skip underscore
Okay,
song.
that works.
Value. True.
Hey Bill, can you set to shuffle?
Action. Toggle underscore shuffle. Value. True.
Okay. Hey Bill, can you set it to repeat?
Action. Toggle underscore repeat. Value. True.
Hey Bill, can you like the song?
Action. Like underscore song. Value. True.
Hey Bill, can you play the previous song that was playing? Just adding some extra words to make sure it actually works. Play previous
Action.
song. Awesome.
Play underscore
Okay, now
previous
just the
underscore
alarm
song.
and timer
Value.
left.
True.
Hey Bill, can you set an alarm for 5:30 p.m. for Monday, Tuesday, and Friday? PM for Monday, Tuesday, Friday. So let's see if it works.
Action.
Okay, set alarm.
Set underscore alarm.
5:30.
Value. 5:30 p.m.
Nice.
Monday, Tuesday, Friday.
Hey Bill, can you set a timer for 1 hour and 69 minutes? Okay. I did not do the modulo thing where if it's 69 minutes it would convert
Action.
to
Set
2
underscore
hours
timer.
and 9 minutes.
Value.
Because I
1H69
had some trouble doing that. So I'll just convert it after. Okay, yeah, but that works. So yeah. And also it's actually much faster than before because so basically I asked ChatGPT out of all these models, if I go to ollama, what was it, models, I think. I'm not sure. Hang on 1 second. Okay, wait. It's ollama list. Okay. Out of all these models, 5.3 is the fastest for my computer. So yeah, that's why it's fastest. So I can just use ollama run. I believe I believe it was ollama. I put it here. I never remember. Here, ollama run, and then I did 5.3, and so I should actually change this to 5.3. 5.3. Okay. Oh. 5.3. And yeah, that's the demo.